Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video here, we are going to go over Dogecoin. So right now we are trading at 0.09663 24-hour volume. We are up 56% and market cap we're down 0.69%. So going into our immediate short-term chart for 4 hours, again, this beautiful green candlestick here, followed by a lot of imbalanced candlesticks. And the reason why I say imbalanced is because we can see a lot of high swing or these candlestick wicks at the very top and at the very bottom. So we're seeing the imbalance between the buyers and the sellers. If we take a look at the previous candlestick action, we can already see that engulfing candlestick previous to the other candlestick that we saw at the very upper edge here. And as we already know, after this impulsive candlestick, we are considered as overbought here. I'm just going to see if I can change just my Bollinger Band settings because I don't like how it is at the 2. I'm just going to change it over to the 3. So like I was saying, because we are considered as overbought here, the price is going to come down and correct itself. And in order for it to continue to have this beautiful uptrend, we're looking for very short corrections in the marketplace. And essentially, this is where we do want to correct down to as the lowest level of our support at 61% of our fib, which is at 0.09234. There is a few factors here that is going to be supported by the correction itself. One being the stock RSI here. We can see that the K line dipped below our D line in a descending dip here that we can see. So again, the correction triggered that sell opportunity in this candlestick here. And if we line it up very quickly here at the very bottom, we can see that the MACD indicator did show us a weakness of our momentum. And we can see the spaces in between our MACD line and our signal line is our MACD line and our signal line is again getting closer together, which does minimize that momentum itself. And again, we can see already we're getting lower histograms and the color as well. So if we're able to come down here and retest the 61% of our fib, we may see that push to come up to the 100%. So far, again, we do see the MACD indicator open up a second wave. If we can take a look at this, it just keeps continuing to grow and grow. What I do ideally like in the MACD indicator is that we do see the MACD line and our signal line above the 0% range, which is going to support the uptrend bullish wave that we're seeing right now. Now, if we take a look, I'm just going to scroll out just a little bit to get our volume profile, which is this blue and yellow indicator off to the side here. You can ultimately see once we move away from these colored nodes, and if the price does close below, especially around the 9411 range, then essentially we're in no man's land here because of this break of this candlestick that we saw. We may dip all the way down here into these ranges of these nodes here. So again, this is only if we're not going to hold this area. We may see a tail at the very bottom of the candlestick ranging below the 38%. And that's only if we're not able to hold on to the support at 61% of our fib. We may see the price drop. And if we anticipate that drop all the way down, if you take a look at that, it already created a very steep correction that is going to jeopardize the momentum of this uptrend. And we do not want that. I don't want that. But let me know what you guys think down below. I am anticipating for the price to retest this area of support. And if it is going to hold around this area of support, then the price is going to continue to come up. And we're looking at projected prices at the 11 cents here. So moving away from the 9 and the 10 cents, going up to the 11 cents is my target range. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.